Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to log in Twitter account. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Twitter application. Make sure you have already downloaded Twitter on your mobile device. Once you tap on it, it will open this kind of interface. Here click on login. And here enter your phone number, or you can also use your email, or you can also enter your username. For now, I will use my Yahoo ID. Once you're done, tap on next button. Now enter your password. And then click on login button. So you have successfully logged in Twitter account. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.